Did you expect it all to stop at the wave of your hand? Like the sun's just gonna drop. If it's not, you demand. Well, in the dark we're just there, so the halves might dissolve. Once we're gone, who's gonna care if we were ever here at all? Well, summer's gonna come, it's gonna cloud our eyes again. No need to focus when there's nothing that's worth seeing. So we trade liquor for blood in an attempt to tip the scales. I think you lost what you loved in that mess of details. They seem so important at the time, but now you can't even recall any names, faces, or lines. It's more the feeling of it all. Well, when it's gonna end, I'm gonna clean these veins again. So close to dying that I finally can start living. Alright. grass gets greener when we get to the finish line. An attic in a basement, 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 attic in a basement. And you won't make a sound. I'll be nervous around piles of pictures so old that it feels like it is ending aloud. It shouldn't feel like it is ending. They meet, guided by master planners. Mine's name is Lovin', she needs a manicure. Oh, and we've taken in all of those lovey-doveys. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were all over the town. I'm tasting all the sounds. I'd gaze if I was allowed. All over the town. Photocorners, frame your cooperation. Enjoy the cross streets. Sorry for the ruffled carpets. Oh, when we've gotten in, you'll spare those lovey-doveys. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were younger. We'd laugh if we were all over the town. I'm tasting all the sounds. I'd gaze if I was loud. All over the town. You store bow ties, bring breath a little closer. Lovin's on a day off, and I fumbled the invitation. Oh, how I'd like to say, how was your day, my sweet lovey-dovey? We'd laugh if we were younger. 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 All over the town.